Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to learn about cost recovery method. We will see what is cost recovery method. We will understand this concept with the help of an example, and I will share with you the journal entries so how we can record this cost recovery method in our accounting books. Let's start with the beginning. What is cost recovery method? So in this method, revenue is to be recognized when the collection of sales is received from customer. Suppose we have made a sales to a customer on credit basis, we cannot recognize our sales till we receive the money from our client. Same, income is to be recognized on the collection of cost. The cost which we have incurred on the sales, we cannot recognize until we receive the money from our client. So till collection of the cost, the income is to be deferred. This method is used when the collection is uncertain or the huge risk involved in the business. This method is based on credit sales only. So we have here an example like credit sales made on 900,000 in year 2019 to 20. Cost was 700, so there should be a 200,000 profit. So collection of 500,000 we made in 2019 to 20 and collection of 400,000 at the end of 2020 or 2021. Now we need to calculate revenue and income to be recognized each year. In 2019, upon collection of 500,000, we have to recognize only 500,000 as our sales or revenue, and opposite, we need to record only the cost of 500,000. We cannot recognize our income until we receive the full amount of this order. So in the year 2020 or 21, the remaining 400,000 we received. So we calculate that there is a 200,000 is cost involved in this collection because this is a final payment from the client. So we 400,000 minus balance cost recovered is 200,000, and we have to recognize our 200,000 income in this case. When we are receiving our final payment, then we need to recognize our sales also, and we need to recognize our income. Now let's see the journal entries we are passing. The total credit sales is 650,000. In year 2019, the collection was something like that, 300,000, 2019 200,000, and 2020 150,000. The total cost of this project is 600,000. The collection made by each year like 300,000, 200,000 and 150,000. 3 times we receive the money. So we need to pass the journal entry. So solution is here. In year 2018, we received 300,000. So we need to recognize our sales and cost with 300,000. Like cost of goods sold should be debit by 300,000 and sales or income should be credit by 300,000. Now collection done in 2018 and revenue recognized only. Now collection in year 2019 was 200,000. So we have to recognize like 300,000 and 200,000 is 500,000 till we did not recover our cost, which is 600,000. So cost of goods sold debit and sales and revenue credit with 200,000. So now the final collection we made from our client is 150,000, and from this 150,000 there is 100,000 is related to cost and 50,000 is related to our profit. Now we need to recognize our profit. So cost of goods sold with 100,000 and the profit goes to bank or the profit account with 550,000, and sales and revenue recognized by 150,000. So total 300,000, 200,000 and 150,000 is 650,000 our sales, and the 50,000 is our net profit, and 3 and 2 5 and 100 600,000 is our cost of goods sold. So the cost recovery method is the one we cannot recognize anything until we receive the payment from our client. As long as we receive the payments in installments, we will keep making recognition of our sales and profits. I hope guys you understand this concept. Please subscribe our channel as it keeps motivating us to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.